In this problem, we are given two sets A and B. We need to state whether these two sets are equal or not. Also, we need to give the reason. Let us begin with the solution. Before stating whether the given sets are equal or not, let us recall the definition of equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. We are given two sets. Set A is equal to 2, 3 and set B is equal to set of x such that x is the solution of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is, B is the solution set of the equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let us consider x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 0. From this we have x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, solution set B is equal to minus 2, minus 3. We have the elements of A are 2 and 3 and the elements of B we have found as minus 2 and minus 3. Here 2, 3 belong to the set A but 2, 3 do not belong to the set B. Similarly, minus 2, minus 3 belong to the set B but minus 2, minus 3 do not belong to the set A. Hence, we can conclude that set A is not equal to set B. This completes the solution. In this question, we need to identify whether the following sets are equal. Also, we need to give the reason. Let us begin with the solution. Consider the given sets. Set A is equal to set of x such that x is a letter in the word follow. And set B is equal to set of y such that y is a letter in the word wolf. Therefore, set A is equal to F, O, L, W and set B is equal to W, O, L, F. Here we can say that all the elements of set A are the elements of set B and vice versa. We know that two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. Hence, we can conclude that set A is equal to set B. This completes the solution. In this question, we are given some sets. We need to identify the equal sets among these. Let us begin with the solution. Before proceeding on with the solution, let us recall the definition of equal sets. Two sets are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements. We are given the sets A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So among these sets, we can observe that the sets B and D are having the same elements. Also, the sets E and G are also having same elements. Hence, we can say that set B is equal to set D and set E is equal to set G. The reason is all the elements of set B are elements of set D and vice versa. Also, all the elements of set E are the elements of set G and vice versa. This completes the solution.